Hi everyone. Welcome to our easy English listening and speaking practice. Many English learners stop speaking not because they don't know English, but because they don't know how to speak.
So it's not about grammar.
Exactly. Today, I'll share simple speaking rules you can use in real life, so English feels easy, natural, and confident. Let's start with the most important rule. Today, we're talking about speaking rules every beginner needs to know. These rules are not about grammar tests or exams. They are about real communication in daily life. Many learners stop speaking because they feel afraid.
Yes, I feel that.
And that fear usually comes from trying to be perfect. In this episode, I'll explain simple rules you can follow. You can use them at home, at work, or with friends. Lina is here to share small questions beginners often have.
I'm listening.
Great. Let's start with the first and most important rule. Remember, English is a tool, not a test. You don't need perfect English to communicate. You just need clear English. Rule number 1 is about speed. Many beginners think fast English is good English, but fast English often creates mistakes. Speaking slowly gives your brain time to think. It also helps listeners understand you.
Even if my English is simple?
Especially if your English is simple. Slow speech sounds confident, not weak. You don't need to rush your words. Take small pauses when you speak. Pauses are natural in English. Native speakers pause all the time.
I didn't know that.
Yes, slow English is powerful English. Focus on being clear, not fast. That's rule number 1. Rule 2. Use short, simple sentences. The second rule is about sentence length. Beginners should use short sentences. Short sentences reduce confusion. For example, I like coffee. I work in an office. These sentences are easy and natural.
No long sentences?
Long sentences come later. Simple English is strong English. Clear sentences help you feel confident. Confidence helps you keep speaking, and speaking is how you improve.
That feels easier.
Exactly. Short sentences are your best friend. Rule number 3. Don't translate in your head. This rule changes how you speak English. Many learners think in their first language. Then they translate into English. That process is slow and stressful. Instead, learn ready-made English phrases. Phrases like, I don't know, or can you help me?
So no translation?
Yes, use the phrase directly. Think in meaning, not words. Your brain will adjust with practice. This takes time, and that's okay. Be patient with yourself.
I will try.
That's all you need to do. Rule number 4. Focus on meaning, not grammar. Grammar is important, but not first. Communication always comes first. Ask yourself one question. Do people understand me? If the answer is yes, you are successful. Grammar improves naturally over time. Speaking gives you real practice.
Even with mistakes?
Yes, even with mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Every fluent speaker made mistakes before. The key is to keep speaking. Don't stop because of fear.
That makes me calm.
Calm speakers speak better. Rule number 5. Practice out loud every day. Let's talk about daily practice. Reading silently helps vocabulary, but speaking needs voice practice. You must practice out loud. Talk to yourself at home. Describe what you are doing. For example, I am cooking, or I am cleaning my room.
Even alone?
Yes, especially alone. 5 minutes a day is enough. Consistency is more important than time. Small daily practice builds confidence.
I can do that.
That's perfect. Rule 6. Don't fear mistakes. This rule is emotional, not technical. Fear stops more learners than grammar. Mistakes are normal. They show you are trying. Every mistake is feedback. Feedback helps you improve.
I feel shy when I make mistakes.
That feeling is normal, but don't let it stop you. English is not about being perfect. It's about being understood. Confidence grows with practice. Speak even when unsure.
I'll remember that.
Good. Rule 7. Use I sentences first. Beginners often don't know what to say. I sentences solve this problem. I like, I want, I feel. These are powerful and simple. You can use them every day.
That's easy.
Easy English builds strong habits. Start with yourself, then move to other topics, step by step. No pressure.
I like this rule.
Many learners do. Rule number 8. Listen more than you speak. Speaking improves when listening improves. Listen to how English sounds. Pay attention to rhythm and pauses. You don't need to understand every word. Focus on the main idea. Listening prepares your brain. Then speaking becomes easier.
Like learning music?
Exactly. English has rhythm. The more you listen, the more natural you sound. Videos and podcasts help a lot. Short listening every day is enough.
I listen while walking.
That's perfect. Rule number 9. Repeat to build fluency. Repetition is not boring. Repetition is powerful. Say the same sentence many times. Change small words. I like coffee. I like tea. This builds fluency. Your mouth learns patterns.
So repeating is good?
Very good. Children learn this way. Adults can too. Don't rush progress. Enjoy small improvements. Fluency grows slowly but surely. Rule 10. Use English in real life. English is not only for books. Use English in daily life, while shopping, while eating, while traveling. Talk to yourself if needed. Describe what you see. This builds real speaking skill.
Even small words?
Small words are perfect. Daily English feels natural. Natural practice works best. No classroom needed.
That feels possible.
Exactly. Rule 11. Ask simple questions. Conversations need questions. Simple questions are enough. How are you? What do you do? These start conversations. You don't need complex questions. Simple questions show interest. People like that.
I like simple questions.
They reduce stress. Questions also give you time to listen. Listening builds confidence. Everything connects.
I understand.
Good. Rule 12. Use polite expressions. Politeness makes English sound friendly. Use please. Use thank you. Use excuse me. These words are small but powerful. They make conversations smooth, even with simple English.
People smile more.
Exactly. Polite English builds good impressions. Beginners should use these often. They work everywhere. Work, shops, travel.
Easy to remember.
Very easy. Rule number 13. Take time to answer. Many learners feel pressure to answer fast. That pressure causes mistakes. Take a short pause. Think, then speak. Silence is not bad. Native speakers pause too. A pause shows confidence.
That helps.
Slow thinking improves clarity. Clarity improves communication. Everything connects. Don't rush your words.
I'll practice that.
Good. Rule number 14. Copy, then create. Beginners should copy first. Copy phrases from videos. Copy sentences from podcasts. Repeat them out loud. Then change small words. This creates your own English. Copying is learning. It's not cheating.
That feels safe.
Safety builds confidence. Confidence builds fluency. Step by step, no rush.
I like this method.
Many learners do. Rule 15. Stay consistent, not perfect. Consistency beats perfection. Perfect English is not the goal. Daily English is the goal. Even short practice matters. 5 minutes a day works. Missing one day is okay. Just continue. Don't quit.
That motivates me.
Good. Language learning is long-term. Enjoy the process. Small wins matter.
I feel encouraged.
That's important. Rule 16. Use your voice with confidence. Speak with confidence. Confidence is not loudness. It's calm and clear speech. Stand or sit straight. Breathe before speaking. Relax your shoulders. Your voice will sound better.
Breathing helps.
Very much. A relaxed body speaks better. This is true in any language. Practice this daily. It becomes natural.
I'll try that.
Great. Rule 17. Learn from real situations. Real life is the best teacher. Learn English from daily situations. Ordering food, asking for help, saying thank you. These situations repeat every day. Repetition builds confidence.
That feels natural.
Natural learning lasts longer. You remember better, you speak more easily. That's real fluency, not classroom fluency.
I understand now.
Good. Rule 18. Stay positive when learning. Language learning has ups and downs. Some days feel easy, some days feel hard. That's normal. Don't judge yourself. Focus on progress. Even small progress matters.
I forget that.
Many learners do. Be kind to yourself. Positive learners learn faster. Stress blocks learning. Calm opens the mind.
I feel calmer.
Good. Let's end with the most important rule. Enjoy learning English. Enjoy speaking. Enjoy mistakes. Every word you speak is progress. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to continue. English will come with time.
I feel hopeful.
That's the best feeling. Thank you for listening today. Practice one rule at a time. Speak a little every day. And most importantly, have fun.